Hello to all dear students. Welcome to the virtual pharmacology lab. I am using XForm series software and these all are the list of experiment provided over here in this software. So today we'll start with the study of muscle relaxant activity with the help of Rotarod apparatus. So let's get started. As you can see over here, at the top it is written study of muscle relaxant activity with the help of Rotarod apparatus. On the left hand side, on the green box it is written Rotarod and in blue box it is written Rotarod virtual practice. So you click on the blue box. After clicking over here, you will get a display somewhat like this. To start experiment, click here. So just click over here. So somewhat like this you will get a display. This is your actual Rotarod apparatus. As you can see over here, this is the rod and on this rod animals will be placed. Okay, so first of all, introduction about experiment, about equipment. Rotarod apparatus has a horizontal grooved rod rotating at a fixed speed. The mice are made to balance on this rod. Dependent upon their motor coordination, central nervous activity and grip strength, the animal either stay on the rotating rod for specific time and after that fall down on the platform of each compartment. The floor of each compartment has sensors that deactivate the timers and the exact fall of time for each rat is displayed on the respective display. Okay, so this is about the equipment. What it says is that, as you can see over here, this is first compartment, this is second compartment and this is the third compartment. Over here one mice will be kept, over here one mice will be kept and over here and another mice will be kept. And as soon as mice are kept, over here on the display the timer will be started and this rod will be rotating. And as the rods are rotating, obviously the animal has to balance themselves over the rotating rod. Okay, and this balancing strength mainly depends upon their central nervous system activity and their muscle strength to have a good grip on this rotating rod. And once the animal fall off on this floor have got a sensor that okay, if the animal have fallen, so this sensor will stop increasing the timer will be stopped automatically as soon as the animal fall off. That's it. Next, we'll see a little bit about the principle. So you can see over here equipment and beside principle is there. If you click here, it will be showing the principle. Reduction of motor coordination, CNS depression and skeletal muscle relaxation lead to decrease in the fall of time and decrease in number of free ridings of animal balancing on the rotarod. Thus, lesser fall of time and less number of free ridings indicate that the administered drug has CNS depressant or muscle relaxant activity that either lead to decrease in motor coordination or decrease in the gripping power. So, this is the principle. So, next we'll check out the experiment. As you can see over here on the top in green boxes, introduction, experiment and observation is written. So we need to click on experiment. So you will have an instruction like this. Animals are divided into two groups, 5 animals in each. Administer one group with the drug to be tested and other with the vehicle by intraperitoneal route. So the drug over here is our diazepam. Third is, what is this? Click load button, click start button, adjust the speed of instrument, that is 25 rotations per 60 seconds. When the animal fall off, respective time will be displayed on the timer. So this is experiment. Now let's get started. As you can see over here, we need to click on administer. So first we need to administer the drug or the vehicle and then we will place the animal on the Rotarod apparatus and check out the result. So first of all, click on administer. So you can see over here it is a mice and maybe vehicle or maybe the diazepam, the drug, the drug is being administered via intraperitoneal route. Okay, so we have got divided. In the instruction it was written 5 animals in each group, but here 3 animals are there. Okay, so first of all we'll start with the vehicle treated. Okay, I'll be touching animals on the vehicle treated group, and you will have a display somewhat like this. I'll maximize it. As you can see over here, this is the Rotarod apparatus, and all the 3 animals which are vehicle treated animals are placed on the rotating rod, and you can see how animals are trying to balance themselves on this rotating rod. And yes, when you minimize, you can check out the timer is also given. So as soon as you place the animal on the rotating rod, the timer will be started. Okay, the second animal fall. See, you can see as soon as the animal falls off, the timer have stopped. Okay, so this is end. So we got 52, 50, 55, and on this table same you need to write 52, 50, 55, 52, 50, 55. Free writings will write just 1 for our conveniency. Okay, done. Next we need to touch on the drug treated animals like this. See, as soon as the animals are placed, the reading will be started, the timer will be initiated. Our drug is diazepam. See, diazepam basically it is a central nervous system relaxant, CNS depressant, you can say. CNS depressant. When central nervous system is only depressed, then obviously the skeletal muscles are also being depressed. Okay, so you expect that the animals will be falling a bit earlier as compared to the vehicle treated animals. Okay, the second one fall. Third one also. Done. So we got reading 42, 39 and 45. 42, 39, 45. Free writings here also will write 1. Okay, done. Next we need to check the observation. So on the top, as you can see in the green boxes, introduction, experiment, observation. So next we need to click on observation. So you can see a full tabular column is there, group selected, vehicle treated, and second one is the diazepam treated. So quickly check the average timing. So in average timing you can see vehicle treated animals, the average time on which they were able to balance themselves on the rotating rod is 52.33. Whereas for diazepam treated, it was found to be 42, which is lesser as compared to the vehicle treated. So below in the blue box you can see conclusion. So click on conclusion. The observed reduction in fall of time and free riding shows that diazepam at 1 mg per kg IP, that is intraperitoneal dose, produces decrease in motor coordination and decrease in muscle strength. So this is all about our experiment, that is effect of CNS depressant and skeletal muscle relaxant drug on mice using Rotarod apparatus. Thank you.